ALB once again. Them niggas be talking shit, they don't know how we flow up in this shit. They didn't hear our songs, they don't know our songs, they don't know rap. They don't know music, they don't know how we slay. But we about to show them niggas. Cause we taking this shit way back.
I'm taking this shit way back like I used to rap at the pop, nigga. When we're passing all the verses like the joint. Niggas, they be going too high like the motherfucking planes up in the sky. You niggas, they be talking some shit like I don't know what you be talking about. Yeah, Funu Jaiba, Funu Wenza this, Funu Wenza that. Nigga, you ain't got no fucking sense, nigga. You ain't speaking sense. Nigga, speak education. Put kids back in school, nigga. Be yourself, nigga. Don't you be a lame, nigga. Don't you claim, nigga. Don't you act like all the jewelry.
Yo, igama unandi uyayazile ntwana nawe egulayo njenge-TV yakini nami ngizobonisa ibukaya. Stay awake, akusoze ngagive futhi ngiqine ngaphakathi nonembeza wami asoze wangidle. Hey, idlozi lami lihlezi lihamba nami lingivikela kulezitha zami. Ayeye abashwe yabona manje ngiyakutshela boy sengiphethe ezinye lise magenge sesenza le wena ufuna le enhleko uyasiflosela uyasikhomela
Noma kathomo wathomo wayakaileka mutlatlhakana letsona le BLP1 Donatsakasi Alexander Comtown never retenex ntwana re tla gotla re tshwere manyora Donatsa Komora hautla utle mona o tsibotsa Sodoba Donatsa Komora Sodoba re tla mora buela Skomora ntwana re tla hoba re tshwere manyora Skobo ntwana re busy mola re tla otla itlo ska khuta le pola and o khuta le pora sal amhle dinsang uska torbotsa ka bana bale ke di flop man
bana ba batsama ba jola le magrot man bo magas man just maka plan boy umfana omnyane zamo jola le bana ba banyane
twane nyane zama magrot man bafaka skin utlela utjala katerga man itla hiko de BLP ntona tsako Komora utlogele go ya lana ko Sodoba a bona go rona tsela tupara mora tsere manyora ntse ntona tsa gas feluni chi the Kaizer Chiefs.